Well, Dougie, this is for you. Land of the free, home of the brave. This is the wilds of Petaluma, where Jay, the backyard board builder, has his shop, and there's a pottery studio over here. Anyway, so he's got all these boards he's been fixing for people. There's the neighbor. Got a little garden going. All these old trucks. You know, anybody that needs an old truck, just stockpile out here. Beautiful stand of oak, live oak over there. They have valley oak over here, those big massive ones too. Are these valley oak, these big ones? So this is the glassing room here. Hi, Jay.
Hey, Tom.
So I'm just showing this to Doug, show him where we came to get his board all fixed up. Oh, and there it is, Mr. Mega. It's epoxy, huh?
Yeah.
Take some special stuff, or?
Yeah, it's always it's just harder.
It is.
So let's see.
I see this. This was kind of a big one.
I think there was like 5.
Really?
Yeah.
1, 2,
1, 2,
3,
3, 4. That looks like me. 4.
Yeah, there was a pretty nasty one right up here.
5.
Okay.
Yeah, I think they're mostly from the bottom.
Yeah. And this was a pretty big one, huh?
Yeah. So this is just a crack. It's not really open at 1, 2, 3, 4, almost along here.
Yeah.
And 5, 6, maybe 5, 6.
Yeah.
I think they were all on the bottom.
Boy, look at that thing. What in the hell is going on with that green thing?
Oh, that's the board we just glassed down there. Oh, this one, yeah. Yeah, the guy, he said he got too greedy at the patch and stayed in too long and lost it, and it just got slammed into the rocks.
No leash, huh?
Yeah, of course. Yeah, no leash. Yeah.
Good surfer, I guess, huh?
Well, hey, everybody loses it. Even,
Yeah. That's a wild looking board, though.
yeah, it's a nice board, huh? It's called Uhuru.
Uhuru or something, huh?
That's this guy I met
Huh.
the other Jay. He knows Wayne Rich and Ray Lukey from when they were kids.
Oh, there was something up here too, right? Or is that the other side? There was a big, I guess it's on the other side.
Yeah, it all was kind of
On the bottom.
yeah.
There was
some
something,
of it,
yeah.
a couple of them wrapped around a tiny bit.
Yeah.
But
Boy, for a high volume board, it's such a fun board, unless you have hard offshores, of course. But it's just so easy to surf, man.
this has the different fins in it still, huh? Yeah.
Yeah, he's got the weird fin thing set up on it.
Yeah.
Small, you can't really see from this angle, but it's got the smaller side biter on this side, like asymmetrical.
Yeah.
Works really
I think I
good.
fixed that fin or something, huh?
Did you?
Yeah, it was all squished in. Both of them or one of them?
Oh, you did?
Yeah, this looks like me.
Oh, you fixed that too?
Not now, but
Oh, before.
a long time ago?
Oh, yeah, when I had it, maybe.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. Oh, maybe you fixed this tail for me too. Long time ago.
Yeah, a long time ago. So.
Okay, so what are the damages? And I'm going to send this to.
Well, like the shop, I charge them $125.
Yeah.
Like 5 dings times 20 is $100 plus, but
Yeah.
I can do that like 75 because you're picking
Okay.
it up and everything.
Okay. $75.
Yeah, that's good. Huh?
Okay. I'm going to get it to him.
Yeah.
And then he'll be stoked.